The tips that I've followed to lose 23 kgs in 3.5 months. I was always an obese. I never cared about my health and body. My weight was 100 plus. Say no to aerated drinks. They're nothing but water mixed with sugar. If you ever crave for cola, you can have homemade lemonade and sharbat. Refined sugar is poisonous for our body. Try to say no to sugar as well. Use jaggery powder, Mishri, honey or coconut sugar instead of refined sugar. Walk whenever possible. Stop taking your car, bike to nearby grocery store. Walk or go by bicycle. It will save our environment from pollution and will enhance your health too. Drink 15 glasses of water every day. Water will keep your skin nourished and will help in staying healthy and well. Meditate for 15 to 20 minutes every day. Try Surya Namaskar. It is a wholesome yoga with 12 steps to keep you fit and healthy. Cook on your own. Never order food from Zomato, Swiggy. If you're coming late from office and ordering from online food apps, cook khichdi, dalia or chilla. It takes barely 10 minutes to get cooked. Try to have your dinner before 6:30 p.m. Walk for 15 minutes after having your dinner. If you crave for desserts, eat jaggery mixed with fennel seeds. You can also have a glass of milk with coconut sugar. Don't go for too many cheat meals. Don't eat too much. Keep your portion size in mind. Eating too much is never good for your health. Don't go for fad diets. Eat food that your grandmother used to cook. Don't eat any food which isn't recognized by your grandparents. Eat real food. Don't eat anything which comes in a packet. Eat your greens. Try to have smoothies. Instead of having juice, try to have raw fruits. Never feel bad about your body. If I can lose weight, you can lose too. Losing weight will make you feel better from within. Do it for yourself. Don't do anything in peer pressure. Good luck. My gratitude to Ms. Bhavya Goyal for her valuable tips. Kindly subscribe to our channel, which will help us to inform you as and when we upload a new video.